Quick tip for those annoying coughs. Coughing, congestion, oh my god. Nobody likes that. Here's a hack you might not know. Vicks VapoRub has camphor, eucalyptus, and menthol, cough suppressants that work wonders. Apply VapoRub on your chest and throat. It can suppress coughing, giving you a peaceful night's sleep. Also, menthol opens up airways, easing breathing. Say goodbye to chest congestion. Feeling experimental? Apply VapoRub on your feet. Nerve stimulation to the brain's medulla oblongata might just stop that cough. So try it out and let us know how it goes. Stay healthy!